Well, how to download Forza Horizon 5 on your Windows or PC. The process itself is pretty simple, so let me get you started right away. Now, on your PC, you can simply head over to your Windows bar, and from there, you can search in for Microsoft Store. So you can type in Microsoft, and it should pop up your Microsoft Store. You want to go ahead and open it. Now, Forza Horizon 5 is available on your store directly, so you can download it easily from here. So simply searching for Forza Horizon and Forza Horizon 5, you can either get the standard edition or the premium edition. So you can go ahead and select the particular edition that you wish to download. From here, you can proceed to make the purchase. So you can see here, it's $59.99. Now you can also get it directly on a web browser by heading over and searching for Forza Horizon 5 here. Simply type in Forza Horizon and you want to head into the official web portal there. So forza.net, you want to head into official web portal, you don't want to head into any of the others. Here, and you can see the option for get the games option, and you can see Forza Horizon Xbox, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and Steam. So you can get it for Steam, right? Forza Horizon 5 Steam, since it is for your PC, and you can proceed to get it. So this is how you can download Forza Horizon 5 on your PC. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.